Peter Mathuki, Secretary General of the East African Community. We are in delegation with Professor Manasseh, who is representing the ministers of the East African Community. And then we have the Permanent Secretary representing the Permanent Secretaries in East Africa, Dr. Kevin Desai. And we have a Judge President of the East African Court of Justice. So we are part of this delegation to come to bring the message to President of DRC, His Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, a message from the President of East African Community based on the application of DRC to join East African Community. So there was a meeting by the presidents of East Africa, 6 of them, on 27th of February, and the decision was made that I should, as a Secretary General, come to DRC and launch the verification process, the process of admitting DRC into the East Africa. So today the President has officiated this launch, and there is a technical team in Kinshasa sitting with the DRC team to make sure that the process is finished within 8 days. After 8 days, we will do a report and take it to the presidents of East Africa. They will consider the report, after which they decide the admission of DRC into East African Community. So this will make the East African Community get the 7th member, DRC. And you know DRC is neighboring South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania. It neighbors 5 countries of East Africa. So DRC is an important country when it joins the East African Community. And it is a big, good relationship between DRC and other members of East Africa. So together we become a very strong bloc. Globally and also economically, we become very strong as one. The people of DRC will benefit because there will be free movement of people from DRC to other countries without visa, without passport, if they are fully in the EAC. Number 2, the DRC will nominate 9 members to come to the Parliament of East Africa, so that the people of DRC can be represented in the Parliament. They will also become part of the judges or the court of the East African Court of Justice. And also movement of goods from the port of Dar es Salaam or Mombasa become very easy and without any problem. So this is the message we are bringing to the President, and the President has received this message with a lot of happiness, and he is looking forward to this report to be out, and hopefully very soon DRC will be a full member of the East African Community. So that is the message I brought as the Secretary General of the East African Community.